it's me. What a room tour. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Life of Lanie. I'm gonna just do this intro in the mirror because why not? As you can see, today we're gonna do my room tour. Exciting stuff. It's very pink, as you can see. I'm actually loving this visual right now. But yeah, so if you guys don't know, I recently moved to a new apartment like 2 months ago. So I got to redo my whole room. So let's get into it. I feel like this outfit was like made for twerking. Okay, let me stop. First of all, I'm terrible at making beds. Like, it's just not, I'm not good at folding things and I'm not good at making beds. So this is like the best I could do at this moment. Like, why is this, why? Why are you like this? Okay, so anyway, just visualize like a little bit better version of this. So I got my bed frame from Wayfair and I got my duvet cover. I don't remember. I also did a video on that like 2 years ago, but I've had the same duvet cover for a while now and I love it, so I just keep it. But I got my pillows from Target and my sheets also from Target, and then that body pillow is from Burlington. It was like $10, but it's so cozy and comfy and it makes my bed cute. But yeah, these like decorative pillows and like my sheets and everything are from Target. So that's my bed. And then over here, if you guys saw my last video, you guys saw me hang up these shelves. But in case you didn't see it, I have these 3 shelves right here. These are from Amazon. They were like $9. I got my Vogue Beyonce magazine up there. I got a little Chanel box because my sister got me something for Christmas and I think it's a really cute box, so I put it on display. And then down here I have some like random jewelry, candles, perfume. I have some bed spray that I love to spray my pillows with. It's from Bath & Body Works. And then over here, which is my favorite part, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys saw these lights. I put them in my story a lot, but these are from a company called LifeX, and they have these tile LED lights. They're so cool. You can do so many things with them. Like, they have so many settings. You can tap them and they change colors, or you can double tap it to turn it off and on. Like, they're just so dope. You can change all the colors. You can do animation. Look at that. It's a whole fire. I'm obsessed. Like, every night I play with this. And everything is controlled through Wi-Fi and your phone. So they have an app and it's right here and it shows like your setup. And then you can do all these different settings and you can arrange the tiles any way that you want to. I decided to do this because I kind of like how it's an L and then it has, you know, it's like a little cute little thing. You can get 1 tile, 3, or 5. And I got the 5-pack, of course, because I wanted as many as possible. You can also do timing and set if you want it to come on during sunrise, at night, as a night light. Like, you can do all these different settings so that it'll automatically come on or turn off. You can pick the days that you want them to turn on and off. So when you come home, the lights will already be on. It's super dope. I wanted to go back to the one I had on. I don't remember what it was. Was it Mellow? I think it was Mellow. Yeah. So now I'm gonna insert a clip of me getting these for the first time and setting them up so you guys can see the whole process. You guys, I've been waiting for this. I was so excited when I got this package notification today. Okay, so this comes with 5 tiles. So Shar and I are about to set this up. I'm so excited. It says you can use your voice to control the lighting. You can use the app. You can do all these different designs. So let's get started. I'm so excited. Thank God it comes with command strips, so I don't have to, we don't have to drill any holes. Yes. Okay guys, so in the box comes with the 5 tiles, of course. They actually are a good size. So I like this shape that I see on the box, and it kind of like looks like a little L. I could make an L, but I kind of want it to take up a lot of space in my wall, so I'm gonna do it this way. Onto the rest of the room. Underneath I have just some regular LED lights. I love that it kind of goes with the lights. Like, I have, you know, a lot of lights going on and I'm obsessed. So that's this side of the room. And then over here I have my vanity. This vanity is from IKEA. I built it myself. It took like, I don't know, an hour and a half. And then the mirror is also from IKEA, and then I put some vanity lights on them. If you guys want to know where I got these lights from, watch my last video. I linked these lights and also the LED lights. So I'll link the video down below where all of those are linked. So yeah, this is my vanity. I try to keep it as clean as possible. I have so much makeup that I try to clean it out like literally every month. I do have stuff in this drawer, but it's like so messy, so I don't even want to open it and show you guys. But it does come with a drawer. And then I have a makeup organizer right here. I have my main face products and stuff up here, some really cute lipsticks. more lipsticks. I have so many. I have my little toner station. This is like my favorite station on my vanity because every single day I apply toner. This is like my lifesaver for my skin. And then I have another mirror right here. This helps me like see closer when I'm doing my makeup because this one's like, you know, bigger. So I need a smaller mirror to like really get in there. And it has like all the different magnifications and all that. So yeah, that is my vanity. If you guys want an actual like full vanity tour and makeup collection tour, just let me know. I don't know if like people still do that, but if you guys want to see it, let me know. I will be down. Also, this chair is also from IKEA. And then over here are the mirrors, but behind the mirrors is my closet, which is a mess. So I'm also not gonna show you guys that. I don't think you really need to see it anyway, but, and then over here, this is like my little sad corner because I don't know what to do with this corner. I definitely wanna get some art to put on these walls, but I just don't know. So for right now, I just have this kind of little section going on. I have my roses. I've got like a little mirror, some jewelry. This jewelry stand I've had since high school. One of my really good family friends gave it to me and I just love it because it's like me. And I love how the roses just tie everything together with all the pink in my room. And I have like this random like, you know, whatever this is. I really want like a bean bag over here, like a little lounge bean bag. How do you guys feel about that? Let me know what I should do with this corner because I really just, I don't know. And then in there is my bathroom, which once again is a mess. So I'm not gonna show you guys my bathroom yet, but you guys will definitely see it in vlogs and stuff like that. I cannot be bothered with it right now, but there is a bathroom in there and a toilet and a shower, so you know. And then this corner is my filming corner. I do have a backdrop, but I took it down because it just takes up so much room and looks kind of messy. So I only put it up if I like really feel like it, or I'll just do something in the living room. But I do have these two lights and then my tripod. That's pretty much all that I need. I'll drag my chair over there and film. So I would say my room is like 80% complete, but I do want to add a lot of art and I do want to add some plants to the walls in my room. I feel like it still kind of looks a little empty. So the furniture and everything is pretty much done, but I do want to add some plants and some more artwork. So if you guys have any ideas on some cool stuff that I can do with the walls or this corner or anything like that, let me know. I would love to hear your suggestions. But yeah, for the most part, this is my room. I love coming home to it every day. It's super cozy. It's very me, very pink. I just hate how this bed looks so wrinkly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Once again, those lights will be linked down below. Highly recommend. They have a ton of options, so check them out. They're really dope. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of my room, if you guys have any suggestions, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.